Opa.
Let's see here. My mic worked? Yes, it is.
Well, look
Discord's
at that.
working. Everything's working today.
Wow, on the first try?
First try. That's because it wanted to
The
let me finish
Christmas
eating my
miracle.
applesauce.
It is a Christmas miracle.
Applesauce like a child. Why is applesauce yummy?
Because it is.
Very easy to make too.
So I did a bit of work on the enchanter study. I am pretty satisfied with I got my little scroll shelves done. I kind of fixed a little bit more of the podium, decorated with some like chairs and stuff. I didn't like clutter it up like the tables and stuff, but I didn't really want to waste the time to do that because those are going to be like put there, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So I think I have enough right now to do the. Oh, and I need to put. That's the last thing I need to do is get some stuff on the shelves because I didn't want to have a whole bookshelf. I just kind of wanted to have some like cluttery stuff in between the books a little bit.
Yep.
So I'm going to do that
Like
today.
Eye of Newt and Leg of Frog.
Sure. Yes.
Bone of
Like
Dusk.
And then I think I'm at a point where I can just start cutting this up into your different phases and stuff.
Okay. So that's another building we need to start working on then.
Yep. When I changed the ground where the glyph is, I would play around with some different colors, but I landed on this like charcoal, and I thought, oh, that's kind of fitting. Like it could be like something that was like burnt into the ground.
Mm.
Kind of like that color.
Is that gonna hover?
Yeah, so that's like the shadow in the center,
So
and
if
when
that thing will
that's
just kind of float up and down a little bit, I can make it animate a little, just with a little hover.
yeah, probably have it on one of these stupid layers. Yeah, there we go. So you can see the shadow and
Yep.
so yeah.
When something gets closer and closer to its shadow, I assume the shadow grows a little bit.
Yeah, I could do that animation separate.
Okay.
So yeah, I have like when it goes up, the shadow will get smaller.
Okay.
Yep.
Hmm. Public state. Get flag state.
Duh.
Put my applesauce away. I'll be right back, sir. Where'd our boy go? Is he still in the bed?
Yeah. He is. Yep. Just spilled water all over myself.
Cool, cool, cool.
Yep. Missed my mouth. It's fine. It's just a little water. Alright. I don't like how
Water.
I like how this outside isn't round to my liking, but I'm gonna fix it later. Not gonna futz with it right now. Alright, so little thingy majiggies. Like name some of these layers. Doing a little cleanup. It's just some decorations. Exterior. Good.
Okay. Come back.
Pretty happy with how the scroll shelves came out.
Yeah, I kind of like it.
Bad. Let me see something. Take center of this. It's 336.
I need a drink. What am I doing with my life?
What are you doing with your life? What are you doing? What
Am
are you
I
doing?
throwing? Am I throwing that the rest of that food out, Jeff? What are you doing with that? Are you gonna eat that?
I'll eat it.
All right. My hands are full. I can't. I can help you. Aerith, what are you doing?
I don't think she knows what she's doing.
I don't think so either. Oh yeah. Camera's very high. I swear this thing, like, does yours move a lot or not really, Tracy? Or is it probably just because I shake my desk a lot?
No. But yeah, my camera's kind of in a spot where I'm not hitting it or anything, so
Yeah, I also.
it's a little protected back there.
Mine's also with the 4-monitor stand. It shakes a lot.
She's lucky she's pretty because she doesn't have a single cell in that head. She's just a clueless little girl.
She's your baby.
She's something.
All right. Wow.
Wow. All right, how does that look for a circle? Does that look a little squarish?
Yeah. Why are you having such a hard time with a circle?
Well, because I want it to look pixely, so I don't want to use the tool that makes the circle. Because I feel like it's too fine.
Too circly?
It does look nice. Let's just take it for a second and see. Guess a different color. Literally said like 1 second ago I wasn't gonna futz with this, and here I am.
Yeah.
Typical. Just what Tracy's do.
It is what Tracy's
They
do.
futz.
Just can't let it go.
They futz. It's part of the process.
I'm gonna look at some old code from 27 years ago. 27 years ago. We are gonna work on something. We're gonna change some stuff around. Call this a level.
All right, why don't I just fucking use it?
I don't know why you don't fucking just use it. Just fucking
Yeah,
do it.
just use it.
What the hell's wrong with you? What the hell is wrong with you? Does this have a cool... Cool. So we have a new thing called a flag state.
Your flag state.
Serializable. It has an ID. It has a level. I don't think I'm a flag state, but
You are. You just don't know it.
This is going to support they don't call it character null. You know what? We'll do that. Then we're going to do this is what's going to drive a lot of the stuff for remembering data for the player. So when you upgrade the blacksmith, we remember that you upgraded the blacksmith. When you unlocked a new weapon, we remember you unlocked a new weapon. My wrist keeps popping. So we're going to create, is this serializable? Sheesh, surprised that works. Oh. Get rid of this crap. Get rid of that crap.
Strong.
Using system. Get that crap in there. Whoa. No. We're going to do like a...
All right, that's what it would be. All right, so let's.
I might want to make that a dictionary, not a list. But we're going to want a public. I can't type.
For your budget.
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 Budget. Wow.
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 Nicole.
I didn't mean to. I was trying to wow.
How?
It came out.
How?
It's a surprise thing.
Wow.
Yes. That's what happened.
Oh my god.
We need to hide this for a second. Oops. All right, which means we need to replank this floor. That's gonna be annoying. Dang, I wish I had that on a different layer. An idea. Just cut this out. Put it on a new layer.
Really don't need this anymore. Because now I'm not a list, so this can go away. But we can do a public void set flag state. And we can set it pretty much. Then I'm gonna make a gameplay and core, something called a new file flag, gameplay flag. That's what I want.
Gameplay flag. Cool chat.
You said the word
Chat?
that I just said. What do you want me to respond to?
I said, what is a gameplay flag?
Oh, all I heard was gameplay flag, and I'm like, that's the word I just used. Thanks.
Yeah.
I don't want to call it gameplay. A gameplay flag is.
That might be my fault. I repeat things Chris says a lot because I like the way they sound.
Yeah, you fucking do.
Now I've messed them up.
Gameplay. So like when you unlock a building rank, I need to remember that. So that is a flag that you're on level 7 of blacksmith, 4 of the enchanter. Or if you go in the dungeon and you find the broom, we need to save the fact that you've unlocked the broom. So there's a flag saved to your player character called broom, whatever, set to true or false, or set to level 1 or 10 or whatever. Game flag ID. Now, this might get a max level. I don't know. Yeah, because its current level is built into the system.
Mm, that's not right.
Where's my serialized field? Oh, I don't have the Unity namespace in. Using Unity engine. Yep, there we go. Okay. So now in my player, I could actually say, I could do that, and I can also do melee.core.gameplay.gameFlag. Then I could say it's, oh my god. See, this is creating a new, I guess it doesn't really matter. Set flag state gameflag.id, comma level.
Have you put up your Christmas tree yet, Nicole?
I have.
Mm.
I put it up Saturday after Thanksgiving.
Too early.
Too early.
I was thinking of putting it up.
I feel like I was late because usually I put it up on like Black Friday. But you know, I was a little obsessed with my Kindle for a couple days after Thanksgiving, so
A little.
I didn't have time for Christmas. I had stuff to do. It's fine.
I was thinking about putting ours up, but then I hear in my head that Chris is gonna be like, it costs
But then
electricity.
Chris happened. He's such a Grinch.
You haven't put the Christmas tree up in years, Tracy. Why bother now? Why bother?
Why bother?
Tracy, we'll put it up every year when we live together. Right after Thanksgiving. I want multiple Christmas trees because I want one in our little side too. Then we have to have a family Christmas tree.
Lord,
No,
happening.
no, we don't.
Yes, we
No.
do. You like the Christmas tree, Jeff? Hush.
One tree.
No, just a little one in our side,
No.
and then a nice, good-sized one in the family room.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
No.
I think it's already
Oh.
been decided.
Tough luck. I don't care if you say no or not. The answer is yes. You gonna put it up with us, Chris? Put on some Christmas tunes?
The day you get me to put up Christmas tunes.
Put on some Christmas
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
music?
Listen
Make some
to
happy
Indian
chocolate?
Christmas music. It's fucking
It
hilarious.
was funny. I was listening to it the
Ring-a-ding-ding-a-ding.
other day.
Oh,
Speaking of
man.
music, where is my music? No wonder why I can't code right now.
The worst.
Oh,
Is that what's wrong?
Yeah.
Yep.
you got
His brain
code
doesn't
blocked
work.
because you're not listening to music.
Ah.
Ah, yeah. I mean, look how nice that actually. I don't regret it. That actually looks really nice. Look how clean it looks. Oh yeah.
That
Oh
switch. You
yeah.
can't see it. It's too small. Whoa.
Now you can even see it from small. It looks great. I promise you.
That does look good. And it still looks silly. I think it's still fine.
I think it's fine.
It looks beautiful. Oh, that circle. That's so much better. I see. I couldn't let it go. I couldn't. You just know sometimes. Layer.
Who calls bananas plantains? Get the fuck out of here.
Isn't a plantain a type of banana?
Yeah, but these are actual bananas. I can see what she's holding. They are bananas.
I mean, they look very similar.
No.
Maybe it is a plantain.
No.
Okay. It's not a plantain.
It's not a plantain.
Ah, look at that. Now I just need to fix the shadow. Oh, that's beautiful. That is a thing of beauty.
Dominic the donkey.
Tracy, though.
Chingity
What?
ching. Hee haw. Hee haw.
You could walk on this. I envision you being able to walk in
Oh, I
here.
do too.
The Italian
What's
Christmas
wrong with it?
donkey.
Or do you not want to walk over the candles?
No. Well, that maybe, but now the inside's got to be the better circle.
I know.
Mm.
I said that. I just said 1 second ago I have to fix the shadow.
No, the insides.
That's this.
No, the insides.
No, he's saying the green circle.
Oh no, those are okay because that's the rune on the floor.
Hmm. All right. Oh.
No, it's fine.
That's hand drawn.
True. True.
Merge that down. So that is one. Okay. Beautiful. Let's fix this now. Oh, you know what? Let me do that because that actually took some of my candle shadows.
Perfect. That's perfect. Missing a parenthesis there. All right, so we have a set flag state. So when you click the plot sign, it'll increase the flag state. Makes sense. So when we come back, we can do a get flag state, which is fine. I think I do want to do a get flag state where it just returns nothing or 0. Public void get flag state. That way they don't have to deal with nulls on the outside. No, get flag level. That's the better thing. I just hit tab a bunch of times and watch the AI just try not to break this. It didn't do the worst. It's broken. It doesn't compile, so good job with that.
A for effort.
Hey for effort, but it was close. I'll give it. It's not hard fucking code, but it was close. It was amazing enough that it took one word from me and decided what it thought I wanted it to do, and it was correct. It's the thought that counts. So if it does contain the key, we're going to return that level. If it doesn't, then it doesn't return anything. And if I got this, then we're good here. All right, flag state. Why are you red? Why are you red? Because you're missing a bracket right there.
Oh, those damn brackets. They get me every time.
They do sometimes. You're like, mother.
They're just so easy to overlook, too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
After looking at brackets over 20 years, it's usually the first thing you look for at that point. You assume the code you wrote is sound. You go brackets, then you go parentheses, and then you start looking for bugs.
Parentheses.
Yeah, fucking our good friend Cesar. Cesar, if you're watching, there you go. Have your little parentheses.
Caesar salad.
He is not Caesar salad.
I wonder, he must get that all the time.
Wanted to say hi and see how things were.
He gets
Okay.
Caesar a lot.
Oh, you have your
I have been.
Caesar salad.
do all this. AI, you steered me in the wrong direction. Just need to do that.
Only on a 5-stream streak? Jeff, I'm disappointed.
Yeah, how come he's the only one who gets that and we don't see it for anybody else?
Because you have to share it. I have to see. There you
Yeah,
go.
yeah,
You want to see mine?
pops up for you, doesn't it?
There
or
you
something
go.
like that.
Yeah. You have to like click share to have everyone see it.
Also, you two were really on a 5 and 10 stream streak because I streamed this afternoon. You weren't watching, were you?
Was not.
You didn't realize it, but someone was.
I
Well,
wasn't
thank you,
watching it.
Jeffrey,
How
for
did I
watching.
get 10,
But how the hell
stream
did
streak?
how did Nicole get the
You-
10?
I didn't watch it this
I don't know.
afternoon.
It should have dropped her streak.
Hacking the system, apparently.
Ah, it's per day, not per stream.
Okay.
So they must have streamed yesterday.
No, I'm watching right
today
now.
was the
Oh,
only
whoops.
one. Yeah.
Nope. It's the opposite of that. It's not day based.
It's per stream.
It is per stream.
I'm like
I
99%
don't know
sure.
how it didn't work.
Because it sucks when people do hidden streams or like subscriber only streams,
Oh yeah, you'll get booted.
and it breaks your streak.
What streak you on, Tracy?
I don't know. I don't know how to share it. I tried to figure it out and then I gave up.
It should be right on at the top of your chat room.
Ha. I don't.
I think it has to be a minimum of 3.
I mean, she's watched every single stream pretty much.
Yeah, was she here this morning for it?
Yeah, she logs in on her
Yeah,
phone.
she was probably moderating it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
They also like to test the sound and such.
Yeah.
Couldn't tell you.
It's
Yeah,
a
I didn't know you were
bump
streaming, and then Jeff was like, "Do you know they're streaming?" And I was like, "Oh," and he said, "Yeah, they're playing Spider-Man." I said, "Oh, I'm not gonna watch that."
No, probably up here, Tracy. No, I didn't mean there. I meant just yeah, there's nothing on top of her stream, guys. Or chat channel. It just talks about the
Yeah,
stuff.
mine was right at the top of the chat.
Oh. Huh.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Your hair's very curly today.
Yeah. That's what happens when I just let it like air dry. It's a little crazy right now.
It's crazy. Kind of want to go with is unlocked. Because typically things are locked by default with flags.
Fun with flags.
Fun with flags.
All right, so as soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to start breaking this up by phases for you so you can.
Do you go back to work tomorrow, Jeffrey?
He does.
Oh.
He's not listening because he's listening to Twitch or YouTube or whatever.
Well,
he's got
hello
playing.
there, Sam.
It's
Hey,
How are we doing
Hello.
tonight?
hey, yo,
What
hey.
is this?
Hey,
He has to
hey.
be going back to work tomorrow.
Yeah.
Hey.
Whoa.
You started it.
That's
This is
too
what
much.
happens. Okay, that should fix that problem. So we're gonna have this nice little boolean.
In and gone.
I feel like you're already back to work because you're on call.
I know.
Chris was bitching about that yesterday.
Yeah,
Yeah,
was
I would have not stood for that nonsense.
I
Nonsense.
was on call while on vacation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What the heck's up with that?
The heck is up with that?
I don't know. Whatever.
How
I
are you
think
doing?
It's
Isn't it
not
because you
whatever.
switched?
No.
Oh, I thought you switched this week.
How are you doing
I
tonight,
put-
Sam?
Damn, I am.
Me.
And
Tracy is working on the Enchanter's Den or whatever we're calling this damn thing right now. So
Enchanter study.
study. Oh, that's right. The study. So she's working on that nonsense. I
Almost done for now.
am working on a flag system such that as you go through the game and you find hidden things or you find progression through the story, checkpoints will get set, and this is the system that'll handle those things being set. So the next time you load into the game, you don't have to like go find the blacksmith again because he decided to run back into the dungeon. That would actually be kind of funny. We need an NPC that's dumb and continues to just keep going back into the dungeon like a dum dum because he's like, I got lost again.
You should Twitch again so we can see the art.
Oh, you want to look at the art? Yeah, you can look at the art. Her stuff's better than cooler than mine.
All right, so I got my floor done. I don't think I'm gonna do a shadow. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I think it looks
No,
fine.
I think it's good like that.
No, I think
Yeah.
I agree. I think
I
that's
do.
fine.
So
I do think you need to put shadows underneath those candles, though. They look a little weird.
It look
there
a little
is
stale.
there's shadows. Or
Oh,
are they
maybe
not?
it's just
Is it not
my.
dark enough?
It might not be dark enough. Yeah, it's not
That-
dark enough.
Nope. Now it's gonna change. Damn it. All right. Continuous. All right, that looks a little better, right?
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, that is better. I agree.
That's a quick fix. Oops.
At first, I was like, "What are those people doing?" They look like little people icons
Hey,
for some
people.
reason. Well, because when Chris, when you're doing stuff, you have those little figures. They gotta look like the same figures.
Those little figures.
Yeah, when you're using like the angles and
Oh,
grids and stuff,
yes.
you have like a little triangle, circle
Yep.
body things.
All right, there you go.
That's better.
All right, so I'm actually gonna keep this as a separate layer.
Oh, I need to try this.
Okay, we got a rune stone.
'Cause I don't know if dictionaries are serializable in this version of whatever, though I could make a serializable dictionary. I haven't made a serializable dictionary in like 20 years. All right, so there is some code somewhere on the main menu. Let's go to the main menu. I could be like Covino and try to make a UI element for like 2 hours and get stuck trying to order the damn thing. Poor guy.
Sometimes the struggle's real.
Yeah, I was trying to help him a little bit, but then I
Well,
got pulled away.
I imagine it's difficult too sometimes because it's like you're trying to interact with your streamers and then,
Yeah.
can't quite put all your attention to it times.
Yep, that can be difficult for sure. All right, so let's look at this add button. This add button calls profiles panel. Profiles panel. Add player button click. Okay, so that calls this click. And we're going to comma flags equals new dictionary of string, and we're going to put something in there. Flag 1, that works. And this is a new flag state. Sure. We're going to do a couple of these. Get out of here, Jobs. Nobody's talking to you. Why are you mad? Why are you mad, bro? Ah, I need a double brackies. That's right. So we're gonna put 2 of them in there. Just to make sure this works. Let's save this. I'm gonna reload him and make sure he looks okay. It gives me a player repository. Okay, yep. Attach the Unity. Put this off to the side for a moment. To play.
No singing.
No
No
singing.
Oh, no singing. I forgot.
I forgot. Wah.
I forgot.
What is that,
Oh,
You
you guys don't have to work tomorrow.
I want to make a little like mortar and pestle. Is that what they are? Things are called? You know, like you grind shit.
Yeah, that is a mortar pestle, but that doesn't look like one.
Well, I'm not done yet. It's
It looks like
More
2
like a
bottles.
outline.
A squatty
What?
bowl. Well,
Looks like
there's
2
2 bottles
bottles.
next to it.
Is that what those?
There are bottles next
Oh.
to it. Is that okay to have bottles next to
I
it?
guess so.
I need to have like cluttery stuff. So what? I'm gonna put. Maybe I could put a skull on here.
Mm.
Do it.
How come my pause break isn't functioning?
Shape of the face here. Use that for skull.
There should be a quill on the table.
Good suggestion. Like it.
I like that you're using their skulls to create a skull. That's cute.
Tracy.
How accurate for the for the game.
Alright, so I have a player object. Player 3 has in it flags, and it is serializable. When did dictionaries become serializable? When? C#. When did dictionaries
Start using
serializable?
2 worded words as dictionary words?
I hope never. But I assume you're asking that question because it's real.
Yeah, it is real. Just because I just had a thing that said like the word of the year
Was it Webster's or Oxford or who started this nonsense?
I'll give you my word of the
I think
year.
it was dictionary.com. Yeah, Oxford Dictionary chose rage bait as the word of the year. Like,
Are
that's
you
2
What the
shitting
words.
me?
heck is that?
Rage
Oh, we
bait.
know what that
That's when
is,
you
but-
post something on the internet just to get people to bitch about it in the
Why
comments.
when did Oxford start allowing 2-word definitions?
Words. Oh, Tracy, this is your favorite. Dictionary.com chose the words 67 as their word of the year.
7.
That's their word of the year.
This is
Although
like
that's a
a-
number, not a word of the year, so I don't really understand how that works either.
All right, so I feel like this is too forward facing. I wanted this to be a little bit
I
like
think
looking off to
compounds
the
are
side.
fine.
As I do this.
See, rage bait does not belong on Oxford Dictionary. It belongs on Urban Dictionary.
Right? I agree.
It's not a word. It's a statement.
It's not a word.
Dictionaries are not
It's a
there
phrase.
to define a
phrase.
statement.
Right? Why is 67 the word of the year? That's a number. That should be number of the year. Not word of the year.
Yeah,
That doesn't make any
that's-
sense. It makes even less sense than 67 does itself.
That's also valid. It's not 67, you goofball. It's 6, 7. Separate.
Oh, 67? Oh,
No!
I'm sorry.
Separate them!
6, 7.
Yes, there you go. Not 60.
That's what I said. I said, oh, it's not 67. That's right.
You're an old lady. Can't keep up with
Yeah,
the Utes.
The Utes, they got me.
What's a Ute? You know, the Utes.
I'm in my prime.
Oh my god. I gotta watch that movie again. That's one of the best movies. My old boss is like me with music, but with movies. Every freaking day, my cousin Vinny was playing in his office. Pretty much
That's a
every
great
day.
movie.
That's a good movie. I felt old this morning because I had a message Sharon to tell her I wasn't going to the gym class because I didn't want to lift weights above my head because of my shoulder, and or because of my neck. I mean, and she goes, "Yep, I've been there. I've done that." I was like, "Yeah, I feel so old when I can't like function.
This
Just want to be able to
even.
lift like weight above my head." It's asking so much.
I think that lady in My Cousin Vinny, we just saw a movie with her in it recently.
We did.
I think so.
Wait it.
I mean, she's the Spider-Man lady, which she's still very good looking for her age. But nah, something else she was in, I thought. Jesus, in the Spider-Man movie, she's 60. She looks like she is.
She Aunt May?
Yes. That's Marissa Tomei.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh. It's the one that Iron Man wants to kick Spider-Man out of the house for a little while. Oh, she was in the Brothers movie we watched. The whatchamacallit. The two criminal twin brothers, but one's a dwarf and one isn't, with Peter Dinklage. Yep, yep. I don't think Pesci's doing anything. I think he's done. Actually, we just saw The Irishman, and he was in that. Well, a couple years ago. Huh. Okay, so how am I loading this? Because it's not supposed to work, but it is working, so I don't really care. Am I using Newtonsoft? I am.
All right, well, I guess we can keep that as like that out for a second.
Six, seven.
No 6-7s. It's gonna be the next thing
Yeah,
that's
stuck in
banned around here.
That's stuck in my head now.
Why? It's a freaking number.
I don't know.
Get rid of it. Poo 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 out.
It's stupid.
It is stupid.
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 You're so stupid. What's that movie from? You're so stupid.
Not sure.
Be Clueless or something like that.
Stupid, no good,
Not
worthless.
that.
No, not that. That's a good one though too.
That one is a good one. Another good movie. All right, well, still want it to be on this, like a little bit of a side angle, but for now, we're just going to keep that. It's fine. What else? Back to my mortar pestle that Chris doesn't like.
Mm.
That I'm not even done with yet. You have to give it time. See, we got the bowl. Should make it a little higher. There we go. And oh, hey, boy.
It's a good boy.
What are you doing? Oh, hold on.
It's a good
Let me make room for you up there. There you go. You want to get up there?
Yeah, he does.
All right, let me tuck you in there, kiddo. Oh, yeah, it's a good yawn. That's a good yawn. It's not
Good
time for your
boy.
dinners. It's not time yet. No.
Oh, it's always dinner time. Okay, so if I do this, what are you
is
doing
going
over
on?
there?
Leave me alone.
Stop it!
Yeah.
A chibu.
No chiboos.
Hello.
You're a weirdo. Whoa.
Rude. Nobody makes fun of you, Chris. Nobody makes fun of you.
Are you shitting me?
Nobody makes fun of you. Jeff, I'm trying to stand up for you over here. Get nothing.
It's ungrateful.
Ungrateful. Paint.
Kinda don't need.
Worthless.
No good.
Y'all are worthless.
Kinda don't need ID right now. I'm gonna pull it out. Just for giggles. Means. Why is this red? Oh. Fix that. Fix that. Okay. So now if I play the game, let it rebuild. Did not rebuild. Cool. There it goes. Play the game. Profile.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Delete. Add. Okay, if I go to the crocodiles. Crocodiles.
Rockies.
Which is going to be somewhere like app data, blah, 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 blah. Velcro beans, melee, save number 2.
The blah, 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 blah.
Open this. There we are. Okay. So now, if if we go to the town, and we go to the blacksmith plot, which is a mess right now because I was fucking around with it. And I talked to the sign, let's say. If I give the blacksmith plot a game flag, did I not make that a mono behavior? Ugh.
Wouldn't do that. Like, that's the first thing I would have done.
Yeah. I did not.
Amateur.
Whoa.
Oh, no, not a mono behavior. That's a scriptable object. And we need to make a menu asset for this. I always forget what the hell that is. I'm gonna steal it off other things. It's always called create menu asset. I was trying to make menu asset. Gameplay. Game flag. Flag. Save.
Okay. Coming along. So bad.
You gave the skull eyebrows?
Well,
I know, it gives a
yeah, like
definition, but it is funny.
well, because I'm thinking maybe it's like I don't know, an enemy or some bad thing. It kind of looks a little
So he's
evilish, right?
angry skull.
Yeah, I changed the eyes a little bit and a little like brow, like a heavy brow.
Yeah.
E.
I go to the town, I go to plots, I go to the blacksmith. I can now make a new game flag. I can call this blacksmith rank, I think is what I was calling it. Oh, let's call it phases.
Too intense.
Yep.
That looks better. It's a little hint of color.
Blacksmith phase game flag. So now I'm gonna add the game flag to here. Melee. Melee dot core dot gameplay dot game flag. Game flag. So when this thing starts, is there a, what use is this? Player manager. player manager has an instance to it, right? Yep. Okay. Plot manager. Plot. Is there a chance that the player manager isn't spawned by now? The answer is maybe. So we want to do a start coroutine. I cannot spell. Set plot routine. Yield return new wait until player manager dot instance does not equal null. And then wait until the player does not equal null. Var int phase equals. Yep. Bam. Wabam.
Well, bams.
Wabams. So every plot will be responsible for setting itself, which means there's no overall town manager that needs to manage that, which is good.
Good. Someone needs some responsibility around here.
Breaks the dependency. If this dot game flag equals null, let's do int phase equals 0. Let's do that. Okay. I don't have a game flag. That's like fucking catastrophic. Oh, what is that? Debug dot log warning. Started to give me text. No, I liked what you gave me, and now you just. Where did you just go? Okay, you just jumped way the fuck down here. Okay, so if game flag does not equal null, we are going to set the flag level.
What are you doing, Nicole?
I'm playing House Flipper. Flipping the houses. I got a good one. One of my favorite subscribers. One of my favorite creators created a new house. They always do a good job.
How come this doesn't save this. Oh, it saves it there. Just trying to make sure we can. I gotta put that in here. Why is this checking? Oh. Okay. Okay. That's not correct. What's this? So now, if I go to this, and I go to this, and I push this in here. Let's see what she does. She crashes immediately. Cool. Cool.
Working as intended.
Working as intended. Ah, because I'm on a character that does not. It's things like this that irritate me about player saves. I don't want to blow up my old save, but my old save is invalid at this moment.
Get your life together.
It's like you need like a validator of the player save once it's finished loading. Or an upgrade to version 3. Lame. But doesn't matter. I will just use a different player.
Yeah, you will.
Main menu. Profiles. Delete. Add a new one. I'm now a hummingbird. Cool. Didn't crash. Yum yum. Alright, I'm going to build the first building. So now it's a floor. I'm going to leave the game. I'm going to cross my fingers.
Cross your toes too.
Shit.
Fail. Crashes are the best. Hi, Covino.
How you doing, Covina?
Oh, hello.
Oh, you dumb. That's why. Alright. Dums.
What's going on there? Oh, that tail is wagging. Oh, I know. It's
A.
soon.
You dum. B. You dum.
This boy's finally feeling a little better today. I don't want to say that too loud.
Plots, blacksmith. I didn't give this thing a name.
Been a little sick the last few weeks.
Blacksmith plot. Is blacksmith 2 words? No, right? It's 1 word.
Blacksmith is 1 word. Oh, you got to remind Brian to renew his Twitch sub tomorrow.
Yep.
Get on it.
Upgrade. Okay, let me reload the file. Alright. I have a level 1 blacksmith. Let's leave the game. Let's come back into the game. Still says level 1. It's both level 1 and level 0. That's a plot problem, not a saving problem. Cool. Cool. You must not be disabling the old ones when switching to the new one without a sign. Cool.
I'll love that for you.
Yep. That's easier fix than this, probably. But no, we actually have it's saving, so I don't need all these other flags. These are nonsense. Save. Okay, so the plot itself is not behaving as expected. The plot manager, when you set a phase, what does it do?
What is it? Woof.
I assume you got your leaderboard thing working. I had to bail yesterday before you could actually finish it. But I noticed you were still on like 3 hours later. Total of 8 hours. Oh man.
Gosh.
I wish I could have tried to stay around and see if I could offer any sort of assistance.
And I don't know if it's fancy seeing Covino here. He's king of the streaming and software.
King of the stream.
My government
King
name.
of the streams. He's in everywhere.
Oh, I see. Visible name is null. Visible object is null in the beginning. This needs
Gotta
to be
watch
set
out for that crazy Covino.
phase 0 object. Okay, that's not a problem.
See, we streamed a couple more times. We haven't seen Victor again. See?
It's been a while, Victory.
Where he's up to.
He's saying, but I'm always here. And now he's not here.
Tired
Then we don't give him shit.
of our nonsense.
If this dot plot. Oh, is it going to try to fill that in for me?
But I would be tired of our nonsense. Oh, yeah.
All right, we got some little bulbs in there.
So plot is not
Lighter?
null. This did it backwards on me.
I like it better.
And phases is not null. And phases count is greater than 0, then I'm going to set that to that. Actually, what I should do.
Should I-
No. Oh, I should not. Okay. That works. I tell my guys at work 20. I tell them if I ever see any function that is greater than 20, I'm going to reject their PRs.
Do it again.
However, that's a little strict. I don't like any of my functions over 20, but I do understand that there are times where it's just going to happen. But I do like that. If it doesn't fit like on maybe a quarter of my screen, it doesn't belong, kind of a thing. Again, I don't always subscribe to that. You can definitely see in some of my code here where this is all about right. Yeah, this one's maybe about half my screen, but this has got a null check in the front, so that doesn't really count. It's got a couple of if statements that are doing null checks as well, so this isn't really doing anything of sustenance. I don't really care. But yeah, you can see all my functions. These aren't functions.
Oh.
What?
She's just over there. Sustenance.
I hate.
She just needs to hear it again.
Yeah, I can't help myself. I'm sorry.
Would you like me to say what's Yaml? Does Yaml make you
Yaml.
happy?
Oh, I like Yaml.
Oops.
Yaml might be my favorite.
And was it Link or Loink?
Luleen, like Luleen, I like
Oh,
Wiggles.
Wickles. You like
Wickle.
Wickles?
Wiggles probably my favorite actually.
It's got no code in it. That's got no
I
code.
hear Yaml's too much nowadays.
Yeah, this one's probably getting a little long. I can't even keep the function on.
Also,
one
my
screen.
favorite part of Chris reviewing anybody else's code at work other than his or Victor's is when he'll be reading code novels and be like, "What the wrote this shit? What were they thinking?"
Yep.
He
It
gets so
happens a few
mad.
times.
He gets so mad.
Has it ever been your code? And then you're like, oh no.
I don't write
It's
code
never
at
my
this
code.
work.
Why would it be my code?
But yes, on my game, a billion times I will open up I opened up this class for the first time in a year, though this one
Like, what the
wasn't
fuck
bad.
did I do?
And sometimes I'm like, what? Why? What was I thinking? Yeah. What is this? No, this one wasn't bad. This one made sense. But no, I like that nice little block. I try to subscribe to what do they call that? The extract pattern. Basically, it gets a little crazy, but if you can highlight lines of code, and I don't know if VS Code has it, but yeah, right there, extract method. Just literally keep doing that until you can't do it anymore, kind of a thing. It gets a little silly, of course. Save. And in terms of, I mean, I know you used the word multiple modules there. I don't necessarily have a limit for how big a class can be. As long as the things that are in the class make sense for that thing. And because I do it that way, nothing usually gets that big. Usually doesn't. I know I have a couple of really nasty functions in the hell is that? It's under utilities. There it is. Some really not great code in here. And what is this? Up to 309 lines. This is 281. 230. It's not too bad. Right. Should belong just leads to smaller classes by default. That's exactly the way to go. Sometimes, Covino, sometimes, but it's always easier to put them back together than it is to take them apart. I always find later on, so I'm like, these should go together. I just put them together. But when I'm like, I should really separate this thing out into two things, I'm like, oh, God. And I end up tearing it apart for 20 minutes or an hour. Well, I haven't been in this code in a while. I just don't even want to look at it. I'm just going to close it.
That does not solve the problem.
Solves all the problems.
Just not look at it. It's fine.
So what I did tonight is I made a game flag associated to a player's save file, which then can be associated to a game object. So my plot is able to say what level it's on based on the level of upgrades. The next thing I want to do is I want to have rooms that I create have a flag on it. And if a room has a flag on it, that room cannot spawn in the dungeon unless you've met the flag's criteria. And that is the next step. So example being, if you're not on level 3 or 2 of the blacksmith, I can't remember which one it is, the blacksmith cannot spawn in the dungeon because the blacksmith is back in town. Right? He cannot be in the dungeon if he's in the town. So that is the next part of this puzzle. So I do have this thing. I don't remember what I called it. And this is also old, really crappy code. Boop, 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 boop.
No, no singing.
Region list has a list of the zones, and the zones have depths, and I don't care about the depths, right? Or do I? Because that has the room on it? No, it doesn't. That's the parameters. I gotta go back. Aha. Best views.
Best views, real host.
No way.
Way.
Because the best views are right here.
Oh.
Wow.
Like,
Stop
oh,
it.
God. You've done that to yourself.
You asked for it.
Ah.
You're welcome.
Missy?
There's the rooms. So I have predefined room test. And that defines a room. So in this thing, I need to state what is a requirement.
Yep.
Okay. So predefined room may have a flag on it. Field. Serialized
Ash is
field.
snoring.
Snoring away over there? Public.
Snorserson.
Flag.
Snorzosaurus?
Snoozosaurus?
No, he's not snoozing, he's snoring.
Flag.
Enix is giving me the side eye. He's like, oh, where's my dinner?
Man!
So flag requirements. I'm gonna make a new class. Serializable class. This is a public class flag requirement.
Know what you're doing.
Nope. No, get out of here, you jackass. This has got to be melee.core.gameplay. Gotta have a flag. Nope.
Doesn't gotta do nothing.
Something needs to be able to handle multiple requirements. They all have to be bit
Bitties?
math together, so that way it comes out with an and.
Where's the megabitties?
Megabitties.
I cannot.
I can't.
So this is gonna be a list of flag requirements.
Can you not even?
I can't even with you two. Flag requirement. Stop
Keep
it.
your life interesting, Chris. Keep it interesting.
Int required level. Ooh, is that a greater than or equal to? Or
Big alligator or little alligator?
Oh boy, Caitlin with those. I never know which way you're going with the thingies. Oh god,
I don't know which
Caitlin.
kind of gator. Jeffrey, what are you doing?
Yeah, where is our game manager tonight?
Game manager, you're being summoned.
You're not managing.
He's managing to not bother us, I guess.
I'm gonna have to do some math on this later. Okay, so then this needs public void boolean meets flag. No, let's just do flag requirements met. If flag requirements equals null, if the count is that, then return true. That is correct. Thanks for screwing that up. Fucking AI.
Screwing the pooch.
It took longer for me to fix it than I could have just written that part. Otherwise,
Get
we're
your
gonna
life together.
do bool is Matt's.
Gulia.
This isn't Julia Gulia. Shit. Player managers don't exist here, do they yet? I may have to move those later. But yes, that is the idea. We're gonna get the flag level for that particular level. And I kind of gotta do equal to right now. I'm gonna do something stupid right now just to make this work. Public enum operator. So equal to, not equal, greater than, less than. Yep, there we go. Thanks for filling those out. Switch. Nope. Field, serialize field,
That.
operator.
Smooth operator.
I think we just don't have any pixels to do what I want.
I don't know the new way of doing switch statements. I know it's shorter.
Look it up on the internet.
Yeah, it could.
The Googs will know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all of them. The Googs should know.
The goo goo.
Yes, Amanda. It drove me nuts. Hearing her at 8, whatever, 7:20 in the morning. I'm gonna Google it. What? You're gonna Google it? Who's Googling anything? Drove me.
Goo Goo and Gaga.
God.
Lady Gaga. What?
Gonna Google it.
The thing is, she says that because that's what she actually thinks it is,
Yeah.
even after working with development team for how
No.
long?
No.
She knows it's not, and she says it anyway. She
No,
knows.
she does know she says it funny. I mean, I know I say words funny, but she can't fix it, and I can't fix it either. So I get it, but that one it's too much for
Can't
me.
fix it either.
Just can't.
Ange.
Ange. How do I do the other switch statement? It's not helping me at all. Cool. I want to see it. I want to see it. You failed me.
Hmm.
C# new switch syntax. New is fucking done at 9, I think. Oh.
It's too dark.
I'm having something convert it for me because I'm being lazy. Found a converter. I like it. See what it looks like in here, though. It's harder to read or easier to read. Whoa.
You son of a.
Ah, yep. That's the way to do it. Will you let me use the tab? I hate this fucking thing. Sorry. Okay, so then I need
I like the immediate apology.
a... fucking...
Sorry.
sorry. I don't want all those comments, but I do want what's underneath it. Jesus Christ. Fuck you, comments. Oh my god, what is being... No!
See, and then you just swear again. So that's why I don't say sorry sometimes.
Ah!
Oh, jeez.
That is prettier. It's pretty.
It's fine for now.
I like it. I need to fix the player manager not being available here, but I understand that. Current level equals 1. I'm just going to hard code this for now. To do player manager isn't accessible due to circular references. Must fix later. Right, because if I used bitmath on this...
You know, what happened to Frank?
It's a very good question.
Frank is having a tough time right now.
Okay.
I know he's doing a lot for work.
Yeah.
Alright, I know he was really excited about it for a while, and then, yeah,
I
just
don't know.
haven't heard from him, so. Alright.
Check my phone to
Sure
see
if
if
I
he
love
messaged.
it
I
yet.
talked to him. I talked to him on Tuesday or Wednesday.
Tell him we say hi.
It's just not really.
Monday.
I just don't have enough pixels. Fine.
Is it fine?
No. No.
No.
There. Send him a message. Probably going to move this function somewhere else. Because this is inside the serializable object, which doesn't quite make sense. It's the thing that's using this that cares. And that is somewhere else. It's using the room appender.
Okay. Well, I really thought, I always think I'm going to get much further than I actually do. I'm like, oh yeah, I'll be able to like cut this up for you tonight. Nope.
Nope.
No. Still futzing with stuff on my shelf.
Absolutely not.
It's just using the...
I need to save those. Probably saving is a good idea. It's been a while.
Yep.
Been a while since I've done that. All right. What was I gonna? Oh yeah, I was gonna get them.
Aha. All right there. This is some awful code in here. This is getting fucking deleted at some point in time. Literally, the to-do right here. Stop this nonsense. It's fine. This code is shit. It's the backbone of our entire fucking game, but it's shit.
Yeah.
It's the thing that generates the dungeons.
It's fine.
It needs a bit of work, I'll tell you that. You got to figure that the thing that created our dungeons is one of the first things I wrote, and I have not gone back to make it good. I'm not even
Kind
gonna
of
say
like
great.
cleaning. It's like you make it messier before you make it cleaner.
Yeah, that's it.
It's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
I want some chocolate-covered cranberries. And Nicole, you made a comment earlier, and I kept meaning to correct you, and I kept forgetting. We do not have off tomorrow.
You and Tracy aren't off tomorrow?
Have off tomorrow.
We have off, not this week, but next week. The week of the 15th.
Oh, I thought you were off tomorrow, Tracy. No, I know you're not off all week. I just thought you were off tomorrow. Correct?
No, ma'am.
Chris, how are you going to the allergist then?
I'm not tomorrow.
Going next week.
Oh, you're skipping this week?
Yeah, I'll have to this week.
Oh, I thought you had to. I have it on my calendar that you had to. That's why I was confusion.
I may, no, it's not on the calendar tomorrow. You know what day it is,
Thought it
dear?
was. No.
Clearly not.
No.
December. Somewhere in December is where we are. I can't be bothered, Chris. I can't be bothered. Whatever. It's fine. You do you.
Is it
or
fine?
don't do you. Or whatever. Well, this time it is because that means I don't have to come down there at 7 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, it kind of is fine. It's actually more than fine.
soon, Enix. I know. I know your antsy pants.
So I'm going to say if I get a predefined room, I need to see if the room meets requirements.
The room of requirements.
The room of requirements. Oops. We need to pass it a predefined room. And the predefined room has no requirements and it's just on all the time. Otherwise, I assume player manager's not available here either. No, it's not. Then basically what I can say is right before I go to add a room to the system, I can say if this does not have requirements met, then continue. That's kind of nifty. I'm not saying it's going to work right now because I don't have any player managers available. But now what I can do is I can say a predefined room has a requirement. A predefined room requirement is a list of flags. I can shove a game flag on this for the blacksmith, and I can say that it must be equal to, I don't know what number. Time to look at our game
2.
docs. I think it is actually 2. It's either 2 or 1.
I know it's 2.
Do you?
Yeah,
How does one know?
because I said so.
Oh. Alright, so phase 1 is the overgrown plot. Phase 2 is the cleared foundation. Phase 3 is an empty building. Oh, no, it's actually phase 4. But we're 0 base, that's 3. So the only time this room should show up is if the blacksmith is interesting. That's actually fairly easy. That works. And that means I can put multiple flags against something. If we ever have something in the dungeon that's supposed to show up when like the blacksmith is 6, the enchanter study is 6, the fishing rod has been found, I can trigger them all together, then that thing will only show up at the time they're all set.
Still 2 in my heart.
What did you just say about your damn heart?
I said it's still 2 in my heart.
You're the worst.
The best, you mean?
Absolutely not.
It's rude. Rude, my dude.
You're rude, my dude.
Jeff, you gonna let him talk to me like that?
Yep.
Pretty sure I'm being very nice to you compared to the way he talks sometimes. Poor Jeffrey. Where is Jeffrey? What are you doing?
Must be suited or something. I don't know. He's
No,
sort of distracted.
No. He's watching YouTube Facebook Reels.
Bad boys.
He's here. No, he's here. What's he watching? Let me see. Yeah, it's a Facebook Reels. It looks like it was a corgi cartoon. Oh, I moved his monitor. He didn't like that.
Don't do that.
All right. Well, good enough for a little doohickey. I need some little shadows on here. Some little happy shadows.
Tracy.
Oh, my boy Bob.
My boy Bob.
Do not. Do not.
Just painting some happy shadows. You could just put them anywhere, because if you don't like it, you could just cover them up. Because, like, I hate my life right now.
Sometimes.
I even have the wild hair going on today. Channeling my inner Bob Ross. We can all use a little Bob in our lives.
We can all use a little bit of happy trees. Except Chris. He doesn't get any happy trees because he's never a happy tree.
No happy trees.
No happy trees. You're not worthy of them. You don't want them anyway.
I know, Enix. Do you want to get up on my lap? We have a few minutes left. You could say hi to all the people. Hold on, let me get a blankie for you. Hold on, wait. Wait. This isn't enough blankie for you. Hold on, we need a second blankie.
Double blankie.
Yeah. Only the best for my doggy.
Only the
Of
best.
course.
Only the best. Ugh. Okay, you want to sit down? No? Because you want to be put in the washing machine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Aw.
He's a good boy.
You want to say hello? Yeah. You got
Auntie
some
Nicole was
fans.
going to come see you tomorrow, Enix, but guess what? Daddy Chris said no.
I'm glad
no.
you said something because it's not even on the calendar. You're such a doof.
It
Yep.
is on the calendar.
It is not, Nicole.
Oh my gosh, your breast
Look,
stinks.
let me look.
It's not.
Your
Oh,
breast
it's next week,
stink.
Chris.
Yeah, I know.
Chris, it's not tomorrow, it's next week. And you're
I
off.
know.
And Tracy's off, so you can take care of that yourself.
Look at the Enix doggies. Oh, he's so happy.
Oh yeah, he's gonna be happier in 4 more minutes when he gets his late DINNER.
Sam, do you have any doggos? Or kitties?
Oh yeah.
And a few kitties. What kind of doggo do you have?
Dingo,
I need
dango,
all
dog.
of their names
Yeah, Nicole loves all the names. That's true. Give us all the names.
immediately.
Hold on. You a bully.
He's a smaller puppo. Some kind of okay.
What about all the kitties? I need all the kitty names.
I mean, it's like a Yorkshire Terrier would weigh like a whole 6 pounds. Does he weigh like 6 to 10 pounds or so? Enix over there weighs about 15.
Yeah, around that.
give or take a couple pounds.
I assume because she said
No.
some kind of terrier, probably mix.
Then there's Ray Ray, tuxedo cat, Sally, another tuxedo cat, and Franklin, the biggest wolf of the world.
Oh, Franklin,
Love
I
it.
love him. Franklin's my favorite. Us big cats have to stick together.
Gotta get one of those big coon cats.
Oh boy, some of
I would
those,
love
they
one.
get big.
Chris
Yeah,
would
I-
immediately die.
I mean, John's are like bigger than Enix.
Yeah.
Yeah, they could eat you for breakfast.
Yeah, they can catch you.
Oh, I know. You're getting antsy pants. He thinks it's time. Thinks it's time. Almost time. Soon. Soon, kid.
I didn't realize I had more stuff checked out.
Ah, gosh.
Let's say game flags.
Fun with flags.
Fun with flags. Why did I move all this last time? What was I playing with? Oh, bug fix for
I've got upside down corgi is what I've got right now.
upside down
Oh,
corgi.
look at these stumpers to the air. Oh,
We would show the stumpers to the air, but you'd have to put your camera on. I don't know if
put
you
my
still.
camera
I
on.
don't know if Jeff still has that thing set up where you can put your camera on.
Oh, he rolled over anyway. Never mind. He says, "Nope, no, I don't want to be on camera." I know.
I'll have to see about getting the cameras working again, and Jeff needs to keep that thing
Yeah.
working.
I think he's got it working.
Does he?
Okay,
'Cause
well,
I thought he said he was
I don't
off.
know.
Fix bug for
I don't.
player
I didn't know my camera's all over the fucking place.
increment dungeon.
What did I do with this thing?
Fix bug for player increment dungeon for multi.
What is Christopher yakking about?
for
Yapping?
Multiplayer bug fix.
Something about he broke the game and
Oh, game's working
Starting
right
the
now.
game every day.
yeah, he broke the game and something.
Something.
I don't know. I wasn't paying attention.
It's a big commit. Push
I haven't
it.
committed in a while.
Yeah, how about you not?
Been a minute. Well, I haven't had anything to put in the game in a while. Well, I
Yeah,
mean, I do, but
you should commit. You don't have to PR, but you should at least commit. Because then it ends up on the server and it's backed up.
all right. Well, I'll do that tonight.
Like, you should commit every night. You don't have to PR every night, but you should commit every night.
Boop, boop, boop.
Ba-do-ba-do-do-bo-bo. Pull request. Being done. PR'd. All right. Well, that's it for me there. I'm actually at a real good stopping spot. I'm glad I got that working. Waiting for my PR reviewer to kick in. I somehow lost my Twitch channel. There we go. You making little islands, continents on the globe?
Yeah.
What you making little things? Zoom out. What do we got in there?
Pangea.
I mean, we don't have a whole lot of knick-knacky stuff yet.
Yeah, but I like it.
Yeah. I mean, it's coming along.
Yeah.
we'll get it cut up. I mean, it doesn't need to be complete because a lot of this stuff is going to be just put in manually anyway later.
Yeah, some of it will be. All that's on separate layers, though. I hope.
Yeah.
Okay.
He
Yeah,
says
all this.
cautiously.
Look it. They're all named.
Wow.
Every single layer. It's got a name.
Wow.
I know.
Are you okay?
Proud of you.
This may be the one and
Do you cough? Do
only.
you cold?
Are you sick?
Yeah, I know. It's T.
Impressive.
Should we have polls? No, need polls. It's
Science
fine.
question. Where is the magnetic North Pole located?
Jeff, that's mean. You're a mean boy.
He is a mean boy.
What was it? Unnamed? Name. Oh, what? So what was your question?
Where is the magnetic North Pole located?
Probably in the South Pole. I don't know.
Actually, that's correct.
I was gonna say it's probably something stupid.
Because I mean, we
Well,
named
doesn't
them
it
just.
switch?
Well, it does, but it hasn't switched in a very long time. But it switches every million years. If you think about
Hey,
that,
Chris.
though, what?
You'd be really great to have on a cruise for trivia.
No. The reason for that is because I mean we name our pole. The names are
If
meaningless,
they
but
didn't
we name
try.
the magnet the North Pole on a magnet, right? And if you let the magnet point to someplace, it points north. What forces it to point north? It is attracted north. If the North Pole was at the north, they wouldn't be attracted to each other. So by definition, the South magnetic pole is actually on the north of by Antarctica or
In the north of
in the
France?
North Pole area. I know it's not directly at the North Pole. No, not
West?
north of France
East.
in numbskull. But yes. Are you going to continue to draw? Because if you are, I can go feed the dog.
No, I'm good. I'm
Okay.
at a good. I could stop whenever. I'm
Yeah, I didn't
just
want to
futzing
start
with that
anything,
globe.
and I'm done.
You're on a commercial.
Cool.
Cool.
Well, keep drawing then, Tracy. For those that might watch this on YouTube later, and I'll watch you, and I'll be
Do the
like, no, that
commercials
pixel's
go
off.
over to the YouTubes?
No, just we can't say goodbye
Oh.
to Covino and Sam.
Well, I think Ovino's subscribed, so he could probably hear you. I don't know if he
Well,
renewed
there
his
could be
subscription.
others.
There could be others.
I know at one point he was like, I'm sick of these ads. Kicked
Yeah,
him to the curb.
could be others.
You got to put some. I know. I was gonna say you got to put some clouds on there. Duh.
So
It's not a.
yeah.
It's not a globe. It's a map. Globe.
Oh, Chris.
Shut it.
He's silly.
You have to do your code, Chris.
No, I'm done. I'm not coding. Everything's closed.
At Twitch.
E30 committed and everything.
Yeah, I've committed and
That's
everything.
okay. That sucks.
Oh. I do like that comment, so it's gonna have to go in there next time. Copy. I'm gonna put that in Notepad. It's being saved. It's for next time, Jeffrey. It's there. Save.
We gotta change it.
Oh, one
Change it from
more.
images to like, I don't know. I don't know what to call it.
For pixel art
Yeah, I guess pixel art, artwork.
or artwork. Okay.
Yeah, art. In her art. There you go.
Okay. That should be done, so we can say goodbye to anybody
Yeah.
who's hanging out. Sam, Covino, if you're still there, thanks for hanging out with us. Anybody else who's there, thanks for watching us tonight. We are done, and we shall be back tomorrow.
Tomorrow for more fun
Thank you.
game development. All right. Thank you
Have a
for
good night.
watching. Good night.
Oh, I should find somebody to raid, maybe. Yeah. Yep, I'm doing it. All right, off we go.